The Avions Voisin C25 Aérodyne stands as one of the most original automobiles of the 1930s, shaped by Gabriel Voisin's belief that every line and mechanism must serve a function. Known first as an aviation pioneer, Voisin transferred aircraft principles directly into his cars: lightweight construction, aerodynamic efficiency, and mechanical systems engineered with unusual precision. His use of sleeve valve engines, advanced suspension geometry, interchangeable components, and rational coachwork made Voisin cars distinctly modern in an era still influenced by decorative styling. The Aérodyne appeared at the 1934 Paris Salon de l'Automobile, where its radical fastback silhouette, sliding pneumatic roof, and integrated trunk immediately set it apart. Its body replaced the marque's former wing-shaped fenders with smooth pontoon forms developed from aircraft practice. The retractable roof, powered by a two-cylinder suction motor in the trunk, defined the car's profile. When closed, the roof panel carried small porthole windows that illuminated the cabin. When open, the windshield had no upper frame, giving an uninterrupted view forward. Mechanically, the C25 used Voisin's 3-liter sleeve valve inline-6, known for quiet operation and constant oil smoke. Power flowed through a 2-speed gearbox, sometimes paired with an electromagnetic overdrive. Dashboard equipment was extensive: Jaeger instruments, adjustable Dufault-Repousseau dampers, aviation-style switches, and Lalique crystal ashtrays. The interior accommodated 5 passengers in patterned fabric upholstery and pedestal front seats. Production remained extremely limited. 8 Aérodynes were built between 1934 and 1935, and only 3 are known to survive. One of the best documented examples, chassis 50023, entered the collection of Henry Brown de Kilmaine in 1963. It later appeared at major exhibitions, raced in historic events, and underwent significant restoration under John Hunt's ownership, including a complete interior retrim by Hermès and meticulous mechanical refurbishment. Shown at Pebble Beach in 2022, it continues to represent Voisin's design philosophy at international concours events. Today, the Aérodyne is regarded as one of the most advanced and imaginative pre-war automobiles, an Art Deco machine that fused engineering logic with dramatic form. Its rarity, its technical ambition, and its unmistakable aerodynamic presence keep it a landmark in automotive history.